हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल अनडाउट बिजनेस, जहां आपके हर डाउट्स क्लियर किए जाते हैं। फ्रेंड्स, in this video we are going to talk about the objectives of business. So we will continue our discussion on objectives of business, and this video is presented to you by Undoubted Business. So till now we have discussed, and this video is for class 11 students. So till now we have discussed the objectives of business, we have discussed the economical objectives of business, we have discussed the social objectives of business. Now the third category of objective is the human objectives of business. So let's take a look. In this session we are going to talk about the human objectives of business. So as an individual, okay, a individual who is working in the company, who is working in the business, what he expects from the business, we are going to look at these objectives, which are known as the human objective or individual objective. So let's get started. So this is the list of human objectives of business. Suppose you are employed in a business, you are employed at a post in a business, you have a job in a business, okay, you work for that business. So as an individual, just think of you as an individual, what you will expect from the business. So you will expect a safe working environment, you will expect a safe working environment. So a business must ensure that the employees in the company must get a safe working environment to work in, a healthy working environment. Now the next point here is, now as an individual, think of you, what you will expect from the business: to give a fair and competitive salary, to give a salary which will provide you with good standard of living, right? Which will provide you with good standard of living. So the businesses should ensure that their employees are getting a fair and competitive salary. Here fair means a reasonable salary which is provided to all the employees, and a competitive salary here means which will fulfill your needs. Like now we face inflation, right? We face inflation a lot. So it will, the business must ensure that it is providing you a salary which is competitive enough, which is enough to fight back the inflation, or to fight back anything that comes in your way. Okay, so the business must ensure that it is giving a fair as well as a competitive salary to the employees. Now the next point here is to provide opportunities for growth and development. Now you have joined at a post which is good enough, but you will also love to grow in the company, right? You will love to get promoted to the upper levels. So the business must ensure that it is providing the employees, okay, it is providing the employees the opportunities for growth and development as well, so that they can get good career in future. Okay, now the next point here is to provide security of job. It must ensure what the businesses must ensure that they are not terminating their employees from a short period of time. They are not terminating, or they are not throwing out their employees within a short period of time. So the company must ensure that their jobs are secured, they are not getting terminated very soon in the company. So the company must ensure that their jobs are very much secured. Then only the individual will work for the company. Okay, now the next point here is to encourage participation of employees. So the businesses must encourage the participation of employees. It must generate such opportunities which will encourage the participation of employees in decision making or the other aspects of business. So think of you, okay, think of you, place yourself on a position of an employee, okay, and then think what you will expect from your business if you are in a job in a future. ठीक है, so what you will expect from your business, from your company, these are some of the points, some of the objectives which you will expect from your company. So here we are ending our session on the discussion of human objectives of business. I hope it is clear to you. If you have any doubt, please comment below in the comment section. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Please hit a like and press the notification bell so that you can get all the notifications. So thanks for watching.